Coding with QMO!
Hi there! So pleased to have you here. QMO is getting the next coding word from our pal Cozmo.
Woo!
Don't forget to breathe properly, QMO.
Excuse me, bots with bad manners. Here you go, Joanna. The word is run!
Thanks, QMO. So, the coding word is run. No, Cumes, it's not that kind of run.
Oh, okay, Joanna. Most embarrassed.
The coding word our friend Cozmo sent us is run.
Right, got it.
Oh, come on, QMO. It's another kind of run.
Please, Joanna, can you make up your mind?
It means to make a thing go. In coding, run is a command to get the computer program going. Maybe I can explain it a bit better like this. Check these out, QMO.
Oh, you're up for some tennis, Joanna? Oh, I didn't bring my racket. Or my shorts.
Shorts? No, we're not playing tennis, QMO. This is my computer code, but by itself, it's not that useful.
You've dropped the code!
Computer code doesn't do anything. When you've written the commands for a device, you need to tell the device to run the code, which means do what the code says.
So you're putting the code into the device.
Yeah, that's right. This could be my computer or my phone.
Go, 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 code! Oh, come on, get started!
The code doesn't do anything until you give it the right command.
Oh, yeah! Run!
The way that computers do this is the device needs to fetch the code. Then the device decodes it into something it understands.
Then it runs the code.
Exactly!
Go, code! Run, 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 run! Hang on, Joanna. Is that all of your code you've just run?
No. You're right, QMO. Some of my code's gone missing. Have you seen it anywhere?
Careful, Joanna. Your code is all over the floor.
I'm okay! That's the command run. For more coding fun, check out our playlist and the links below.
Cozmo and Friends,